Welcome to the Ultimate Pokémon Guide. Whether you're starting your very first journey or gearing up for competitive battles, this video takes you from beginner basics to expert-level strategies. Let's dive in. Let's start with the core of the Pokémon world: catching, battling, and leveling up. Knowing your type matchups can win battles before they even start. A well-rounded team covers all your bases and handles different threats. Level up, evolve, and optimize your Pokémon for battle. Want to raise powerful Pokémon with perfect stats? Time to learn about breeding, IVs and EVs. Now that you're trained up, it's time to battle real players. Master-level players think several turns ahead. Let's get tactical. Want to test your patience or your skills? Try these community challenges. Now you're ready to become a Pokémon master. Like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite Pokémon. Train on, trainers.